Guess what I got for my birthday? Guess what I got for my birthday? Oh my gosh, I can't believe I got this for my birthday. Oh my gosh! Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that bell so that you are getting your notifications so you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. You guys want to know what I got for my birthday? Like, are you ready? Are you ready? Close your eyes right now. Close them. Open your eyes. Ah! My sister and my husband got me my first pair of Moxi Rollerskates for my birthday and I could not believe it. I'm so excited to unbox these for you. I had asked you guys in my community comments if you would like to see me unbox Moxi Rollerskates if I were to ever get a pair. And today, the day has come for me to unbox my Moxi Rollerskates for you. Okay, let's get started with this unboxing. So I got the Moxi Jungle Skates. According to the box, mine is the Moxi Set Jungle Leopard Pink in a size 7. So I'm normally a size 8. I know a lot of people comment and ask me what size I got in my Impala skates. Normally I'm a size 7.5 or an 8. With the Impalas, I had to go up to a size 8. However, in this particular style of the Moxis, I had to actually go down to a size 7. So if you are a 7.5 or an 8, you'll probably need a size 7. This is the box that the skates come in. The box has really cool, like, vintage looking stickers. And obviously the style and the size are on the top of the box. So when you first open the box, you see the Moxi skate paper, and then also there's a really cool message here, Moxi skates made with Moxi, and then there's a really cool message from Michelle, aka Estrogen, and then obviously like the Moxi Rollerskates website. Let's get into this. So during the taping of this video, I think there may be lipstick on my teeth, and I don't want to re-unbox this again and have my excitement be really fake. So I'm just gonna keep going, and if I have lipstick on my teeth, cool, whatever. If I don't, even better. But there is a possibility that I may have lipstick on my teeth. Anyway, moving on with this. Anyway, continuing on with this unboxing. I got the Jungle Skates, so you can only imagine what they look like. So excited. I get excited. I've already like worn them, but I still get excited over and over again when I show them. So here is the skate. It is so cute. And then I just had to do this senseless plug. Forever 21 did a collaboration with Kimora Lee Simmons. I'm actually wearing the outfit right now. Kimora Lee Simmons brought back Baby Phat, and she collabed with Forever 21. And who would have thought? I got this outfit like months ago and I just never really did anything. I took like a couple pictures in it, but I hadn't worn it. But who would have thought that the roller skates that I get for my birthday would literally match my outfit? I can't even handle it. I love it. So here is the skate. As you can see, it comes with the cool, cute Moxi emblem on the side. There's a heel on this skate. It comes with really cute Moxi pink glitter gummy wheels. Standard laces. It came with black, so they came with black. And on the inside, you can see a really pretty pink lining. And then it has the Moxi here on the tongue. Obviously, I love these skates, you guys. I love these skates. It's like a total difference from skating with my Impalas to going to a Moxi. Okay, so let's get into the cons first. I know, where there's pros, there's cons. Literally, I have one con with this skate. Just one. My left skate is squeaking and it squeaks pretty loud. Since I've skated a couple of times on these, the squeakiness has gone down, but when I first got them, I wish I had it on video. I think I still have it. If I still have the video, I'll clip it here. Ooh, what are those? while I was skating for the first time in these, I thought I was hearing bugs in the trees, but it was really actually my skate. And you can hear my husband saying, no, it's your skates. Because where I'm from in the South, there's these bugs. I don't know what the name of the bugs are, but they sound like this in the trees. It's like, so that's the only con that I have with this skate. But since then, like I said, I've skated a few times on it and I'm not hearing it as much. Maybe I'm used to it now. I went back and watched Indy's video when she was reviewing the Beach Bunny, which I think is pretty similar to the Jungle Skate. And she said if you're hearing the squeaky sound, it is because there is no hub that is in the bearing. I believe I said that right. That's where it is, and it's literally only the left skate. Like, I don't hear anything at all on the right skate. So again, gummy wheels are pink glitter on this one, 58 millimeters, and 78A is the softness. I love the fact that I am not terrified to skate over rocks anymore. That was my one thing that terrified me on my Impalas. I was feeling everything to the point of even like some cracks in the sidewalks would actually make my whole body like tense up. So yeah, that's the only con that I have on these skates. So they come in these plastic bags so you can keep them nice and tidy when you're not skating. I didn't get anything additional like toe covers or anything like that. I believe Beach Bunnies you do, at least back then when Indy did the video reviewing the Beach Bunny. She said that it came with it, but mine did not. They arrived quickly. I ordered through Planet Rollerskate because they didn't have them in stock when I got surprised that I was getting the roller skates. So I ended up going through Planet Rollerskate to order them, and the shipping was pretty quick. I feel like I'm skating on legit roller skates now. Don't get me wrong, I loved Impalas, but when you have Moxis, it's like a whole different playing field. The tongue feels very firm. The skate feels very firm when I put it on. I am going to have to relace these because I feel like my right skate is a lot looser than my left skate. I love the wheels. Like I said, I rolled straight through some rocks today. Like, I was like, what? Skating, rock, bing, boom. I love the color. I had to have these. Like, I was going to go with the Beach Bunny, but those colors, they're really pretty, but I really wanted something to match my personality, which is wild and grrr, like lioness and fun and jungle. So, I mean, my personality isn't jungle, I guess, but I wanted something colorful and fun. I don't really have anything else really to say. They're amazing skates. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below like you guys did in the Impala videos. I love answering your questions. I love helping you guys figure out which skate is great for you. If you want me to do a Moxi roller skate versus Impala roller skates, let me know. Leave me a comment below. So if you like to see how I roller skated on my brand new Moxi roller skates, keep on watching.
All I want is to be with somebody, take my pain away. I hear music playing so loudly, sing me now when the night wide awake. I'm wide awake. You like it? You like it? So watch my body just take it all in, just take it all in, just take it all in. So pay attention, I'm coming your way, I'm coming your way. All I want is to be with somebody, take my pain away.